Hey everyone, Cody with the Recast team here. In this video, we're going to take a look at how Endpoint Insights enables us to provide a more white glove experience for device replacements. So let's go ahead and take a look. If we're doing a device replacement, we've identified the device we're replacing here. So to find some of the information that we need to replace the device without Endpoint Insights, we're kind of going to be stuck looking through either the Resource Explorer here to find some of the data points that we need, or maybe even looking through some of the built-in config manager reports. But if we have Endpoint Insights, it becomes a lot easier to find some of those data points that we need for replacing this device. So we will right-click on the device here. We'll go to Endpoint Insights and pull up our all-in-one computer view. So from the all-in-one computer view, we're going to get a lot of useful information for a device replacement. We'll get some details about the warranty information of the device, any monitors that are connected to the device, as well as the serial number, so maybe we could identify if this monitor needs to be replaced as well. We'll get docking station information, so if we show up to a laptop replacement, we'll know that they have a docking station for sure. We'll also get any programs that this user has installed as well. And on top of that, we also are pulling in some additional data points to the config manager database that can be super helpful for a device replacement. So if we hop into Resource Explorer and take a look at our hardware, there's a section here that has EI in front of it. Here we'll get some extra useful information for a device replacement, such as any mapped drives that this user has, or mapped printers. Anybody that's done a device replacement knows that mapped drives and mapped printers are kind of a big thing that can get missed on the first try. So that's just kind of a few of the ways that Endpoint Insights can help you more easily provide a white glove experience for your device replacements.